Okay, so we've been learning about area and perimeter so far, right?
Yes.
So we have a fun little activity, but before we get to our activity, I just want to remind us and review all of that. What is, how do we find the perimeter of a shape?
Around the object.
Yes, but what do?
You add them all.
Add all the sides, right? So we're going to add up all the sides all the way across and around the shape. And then you also have area. How do you find the area of a shape? Multiply, right? So that's a whole different kind of set of things. So you're going to multiply. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do it first. So I'm going to give everybody a little handful of Cheez-Its. Now the rules of the Cheez-Its are you cannot eat them until after we're done with our activities. So no eating the Cheez-Its until afterwards, okay? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to give everybody a little handful of Cheez-Its. We're all going to...
Are you sure we need all of these?
Yes. We may not need them all. But
What if it's
okay.
broken?
If it's broken, you can eat it later.
Oh.
So what we're going to do, a few more because you didn't have as many as everyone else, is you're going to
A real cheese?
copy
Copy.
what I'm doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a shape that has 3 across and 3 up. So go ahead and make for me a shape that has 3 across and 3 up, and then I'll see what I can do.
Do we fill it in?
Yeah, fill it in. So it has 3 across. Good. So look around. Make sure does your neighbor have something that looks similar to you? All right. So we all have the same. It looks like we all have the same thing. So that's really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the perimeter of this. So what we're going to do, or how do you think we could find the perimeter of this? What do you think we could do to help us find the perimeter of our Cheez-It shape?
We count the Cheez-Its on the side.
So we count the Cheez-Its on the side. So if we add up all the Cheez-Its on the side, what would our answer be?
12.
12. Yes.
I think you're...
Because if we count all the sides, we count each one. So we're going to go right here, and we're going to count right here. We're just going to go like this. It's going to go 1, 2, 3. Count with me.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So is that our area or is that our perimeter?
Perimeter.
That's our perimeter. So now let's see, can we find the area of our shape?
9.
9? How did you get 9?
One side
3
times
times 3.
So you did 3 times 3. Is there another way that we could find our area besides multiplying?
Counting the whole thing.
Counting all our squares, right? So we can count all our squares, and it would be 9. Now, can you guys, now we're going to try, and we're going to make for us, I want you guys to make me a shape that has, let's go with 12. Our area is going to be 12. If you don't have enough or you need more, let me know and I can give you more. So, does everybody have something similar? Now I noticed that these two made theirs vertical, right? So they made theirs a little bit longer. Theirs is 4 down and 3 across, and your guys' is different. Why is your guys' different? Or how is it yours different?
normal.
Well, yours just looks
I
little.
think it's because it was just convenient for me to put it like that.
Yeah, but is it the same area?
It's the same.
I think
It's the same area because if we count all the squares, so count up all your squares, how many squares do you guys have?
12.
12, right? So it's still going to be the same. Now, what is your perimeter of the shape? How did you find that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 14.
14. 22. How do we find the perimeter?
3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4.
Oh, wait.
3 plus 3
14.
plus 4 plus 4 is what?
14.
20 is 14. Very good. Okay, so now let me see. See if I can trick you guys, or at least give you something a little bit more. Maybe not trick you guys, but make it a little bit more difficult. How about you guys make me a shape that has an area of 22. 22. How can I find an area of 22 for something that has an area of 22? Now remember, your shape has to be a quadrilateral, so it has to have 4 sides to it.
4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
It's okay. You can have something a little similar, a little different. Do you have it? There you go, right? Because if you count, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Good. I think those ones are going to be also good. Can you guys count them for me just so I can see?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22.
Good. How about you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times 2.
Good. So there's 2 groups of 11. So right. So if we looked at our shape, right, it would be a quadrilateral because it's got 4 sides. It's a rectangle, right? And it would be how many down? 11. And how many across? 2. Right? Hers is a little different. She's gonna have 2 down and 11 across, right? So this shape would be a 11 by 2, right? So what if I had you make me a shape that is 7 by 4? 7 by 4. Everybody's got a different idea of how to do this. Let me know if you need more Cheez-Its. It's just perfect.
Oh, I need more cheeses. Thank you.
It's okay.
You're grody.
We have a whole nother box.
Can't eat it after.
We have a whole nother box for you guys to eat out of later. I don't want to really eat all the touched Cheez-Its. Okay, so we have 7 by 4, right? So you should have how many down? 7 rows down, and how many columns across? 4. So let's see. Let's count. Who should we count?
Hers.
Okay. Oh, got a little missing. All right, so let's. It's okay. Stop eating the cheese. Okay, ready? So let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. So now let's find the perimeter of your shape. So
That was 14, 18.
some of you are writing.
22.
That's fine. You're counting.
Wow, 22.
22.
Whoa. Whoa.
Mind
Amazing.
So what's your perimeter?
22.
22, right? 22 units. We really don't have our 22 squares. Now, what is your area? How are you gonna find
28.
28.
How are you gonna
24.
find-
4 times 6.
28.
Yeah, it's helpful to know our multiplication facts, huh? So we have
24.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 4. 2, 3, 4, right? Which is 28. Or what other way can we do that? Can we find it?
Counting.
Just count all of your little shapes in there. Good. So now, if you take your paper and you turn it over, you're going to have a worksheet here that has 5 questions. You and your partner, because you may need more, you may need less. So partner up. So you two are going to be a partner. You two are going to be a partner. Partner up, and you two are going to.
I need to write down too.
you two are going to work together to answer those problems on there, right? So the first one says, so let's read the first one together. The first one says, form your Cheez-Its into a 4x4 rectangle.
Okay.
So go ahead and you guys work together.
She broke the rule.
Are you eating? No eating the Cheez-Its.
There was a lot.
Uh-huh. There's some leftovers. Yeah, don't eat them or you're not going to get some later.
This is for environment. How come she gets to eat her cheese?
She's not supposed to.
She's not supposed to.
Remember, those are the rules.
I did it.
Okay, so, and then you're going to use that square, so you built it already. Now you're going to use your square to answer the question. So what is the area?
16.
16. Good. And what is the perimeter?
16.
16. Good. So
Do we
do the
put
next ones. Yes, name it units.
Cheez-Its.
So are you, yes, you can name it Cheez-Its or you can name it units. Because actually there are no units.
A CI.
How come Cheez-Its doesn't have an E?
Because that's the way that it's.
3 times 4 is 12.
You can go ahead. Go ahead. Do number 2.
Three by
Smart.
There we go. Is
12.
14? 2 by 3.
Yeah, but area 6. 9 plus 10 equals 2. Isn't it 10?
And then we'll see who
Whoa, 1 by
is
8.
right.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 6, 10.
What?
4. Yeah, 4 perimeter.
8.
8.
18?
1 by 8. 5 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me, I didn't form the rectangle yet. You can't go ahead. Area 10. Perimeter
5 times 2, 2.
14.
We finished!
Okay, let's let everybody finish.
16 is 18. Right? That's 2. 5 times 2 is 10 minutes. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 4 is 14 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Perimeter's 8 here.
Okay, well let's check our answers. So number 1 we did together, right? So we had your area was how many units?
16.
16 units, right? And you guys labeled it right. And then perimeter was how many?
16.
Now is it 16 units or no? Area, is it 16 units or is it, how do we label it?
Squared! No,
Yeah.
that's area squared.
Yes, area is squared. So it's 16 square units or units? Well, square units.
No, 16 squared is something different.
So 16 square units. So
No, the
it's
units.
square
No,
units, or unit squared.
You put the squared.
Yeah,
Unit
unit
squared
squared.
a number.
Yeah, unit squared. Good. So we have that one. So let's look at number 2. Number 2, what was the area?
12 units squared.
12 units squared. Good, because we know that 4 times 3 or 3 times 4 is 12. And what is our perimeter?
14.
Good. 14 units. Now let's look at number 3. Looks like I have some different answers for 3. Number 3, what is our area?
6 units squared.
Good. And then our perimeter is 10. Good. Stop eating the Cheez-Its. You're not supposed to eat them yet. Breaking the rules. 4. What is your area?
8 units squared.
Good. And then our perimeter is
18.
Good. And then number 5, what's our area?
10 units squared.
And our perimeter?
14.
Good. Now what I want you guys to do is
Eat cheese.
not yet. Not yet. Work together with your partner to make for me a shape. It doesn't have to be a quadrilateral anymore. So I want it to be a polygon, any kind of polygon that has 40 units squared as your 40 square units as your area. So it has to have an area of 40 square units. If you need more,
Can it be square still?
it could be any shape you want. I prefer it not to be a quadrilateral.
She said polygon.
So any polygon you want, but it has to have an area of 40 square units. So work on that. If you need more, I stopped. I can go get more too.
Wait. You need to help me.
In the process of a triangular shape, we must eat halfway.
So maybe not triangle.
No, triangle. What'd you say?
Maybe
What
not a
triangle?
triangular shape.
You said the area?
40. Your area has to be 40 units.
Let's do 10 times 4.
Not a quadrilateral.
So to cut all the squares.
How's it
Wait,
fit?
no. 3. What shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shape. This is already 18. 18, 20, 22, 23. We can make a doodle. We can make it a different angle.
Remember, polygons have straight sides and angles.
Do you want us to eat half of it?
No.
Yeah,
No eating any of them. So see what you could make.
Let's do this.
It's a polygon.
An area of
Area of 40 square units. So you're going to need how many Cheez-Its are you going to need? 40.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Does it have to make sense?
It just has to be a polygon. So any polygon will work. As long as it has lines, angles.
Move forward. Is this the competition? Make it look like a football. No, it looks like a burger.
Whatever shape you want, as long as it's polygon.
Here, let's count first.
And it can't be a quadrilateral, so it has to have, you can't have 4 sides. Look at it this way.
6,
Make sure you have.
18, 24, 28, 32,
There's our shape.
34, 36, 48.
You guys are slow.
Oh, everybody works at their own pace. Stop making fun of everybody else.
Special needs.
You cry a lot when you're under pressure.
We're gonna stop making fun of other students in the classroom.
I want to be a bully.
Don't be a bully, be a buddy.
Ooh, I like that. Not a lot of variety in your gender.
Alright, so let's look over here, you guys.
You're not part of the class? No, I got
There
to
we go.
tell.
We are in the middle of things.
I like that one.
So let's look over here. Let's count. You have to have an area of 40, so let's make sure you have an area of 40. So count for me. Show me.
6, 12, 18, 24.
These are all rows of how many?
6.
So rows of 6, so you said 6, 18, 24.
And then
24 plus
28.
plus 4 is 28 plus 32, another 4 is 32.
36.
36. 40. Good. And what kind are, now tell me what's the perimeter is it? So you gotta count that up for me.
We made a robot.
Alright, so count for me. Show me your area of 40.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40.
Good. So now you have your not quadrilateral. So now find for me the area of, or not the area, the perimeter of your shape.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 32.
So what's the area, what's the perimeter of your shape? 32, and what's the perimeter of your shape?
30.
30. So see how they both have the same area, but their perimeter is different? Why do you think that is? Because we use the same amount of Cheez-Its, but why is the perimeter so different on your guys' shapes even though they're the same area?
Different side lengths.
Yeah. They're different side lengths, right? You guys have a little bit more edge going on, right? Because you have more sides on your polygon where they have less sides on their polygon. So it makes it so they're, it's very interesting, makes it so their perimeter is different. Okay, so very good. So now you guys are free to eat your Cheez-Its. Good job.
Another 2 minutes?
I hope so. Hey, see, can you
What?
hit it and pray that the Lord that it's